In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your journey with QuickBooks and become a certified professional. This guide will help you navigate the path to certification step by step, smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to fire up your internet browser of choice. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other standard browser you prefer to use. Now, what you're going to do is head over to QuickBooks' official website. It's essential to ensure you're landing on the right page, so be sure to type in a reliable URL or simply search QuickBooks official site in your browser search bar. Once you've arrived at their homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, within your browser, do a quick search for QuickBooks Certified. This search should ideally direct you to the page specifically addressing certification programs offered by QuickBooks. You'll likely see a few options listed, but the first one is typically the most relevant and should be your destination. Click on that, and it will take you to the section where you can begin your journey toward certification. Once you're on the certification page, you should see a Get Started button. This is your gateway to the certification process, so go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you into a series of exams and resources designed to test your knowledge and understanding of QuickBooks. Remember, the goal here is to prepare you thoroughly, so make sure you dedicate enough time to study the materials provided. The process might seem daunting at first, but remember, every step brings you closer to becoming certified and expanding your professional horizons. After completing the necessary examinations and showing your proficiency, you will have successfully navigated through this guide to become a QuickBooks certified professional. This certification is a valuable asset, demonstrating your capability to manage finances effectively using QuickBooks. It's worth noting that the journey doesn't end here. Continuing your education and staying updated with any new features or tools that QuickBooks introduces will keep you at the top of your game. Engaging with online communities or forums dedicated to QuickBooks professionals can also provide you with insights and support as you progress in your career. And there you have it, your complete guide to becoming QuickBooks certified. Remember to take it one step at a time, utilize the resources available, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Your effort and dedication will surely pay off. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck on your certification journey.